This lecture will cover building information modeling in the managing the design and construction process of IPD systems. So BIM is a catalyst for IPD. And if you'll remember, catalysts are those that can be greatly beneficial for optimizing project results. So what is building information modeling? The tool of BIM, especially employed in a collaborative setting, can greatly enhance collaboration, sharing of information, and streamline project design and construction. BIM is a collection of software programs that help coordinate the design efforts of multiple disciplines and allow for more automated and facile estimation of schedule and cost. In the design and construction phases of a project, BIM can allow the coordination of 3D and 4D to assist planners, designers, and contractors to determine inconsistency, or sometimes referred to as clashes, in the design. BIM ensures that changes in a plan carry through to all of related items in other plans and budgets. This enables the project team to avoid rework and engage in real-time estimating as changes to the plans and design occur. BIM can be of great value for all owners in managing their facility. It can be seen as a repository of major sets of information, and it can be linked to other information not stored in the model. BIM is a documentation tool, but it's also a technology for collaboration. It's an integration tool for the fragmented and specialized building industry, and it's a vehicle for an IPD team to pool its intellectual capital. BIM will allow us to build virtually before building physically, uncovering problems of sequence, interference, and constructability that trigger change orders in RFIs. BIM can also include information such as the physical configuration, programmatic requirements, functional characteristics, specifications, systems performance, supply chain threads, construction sequence, cost, or any other information that might be useful. Plugins are specialized programs that can be plugged in for a number of things, including structural and mechanical design, heat gain or loss calculations, energy analysis, lead certification, cost estimating, and construction scheduling. Reports. The BIM model is a digital database that an IPD team can use to generate reports, and facility managers use to access lifecycle, maintenance, and replacement information. They can also lead to 4D and 5D models, where BIM can help with estimating and scheduling capabilities. The clash detection feature. BIM software provides sophisticated clash detection that indicate where two systems or products occupy the same space, and this is really helpful to do before a project is being constructed. You have direct fabrication control. BIM models can drive fabrication machinery. And facilities management. An integrated BIM model is better than as-built drawings. BIM models can augment and clarify agreements, and in that way they can be a contract tool. So BIM's customized reports can serve as contractual tools to clarify agreements with both the owner and the subcontractors. Printed reports from BIM can augment the original initial written agreement document, and aspects of sub's technical proposal can become part of the BIM model. Managing the assembly of a BIM model is like managing the assembly of a building, requiring similar knowledge and leadership skills. BIM production should be staffed with people who do not only understand BIM technology, but also understand how to manage the workflow from multiple sources. The BIM model manager must be a person with good interpersonal skills to build the collaborative culture required to produce such an integrated model. Building the BIM model requires the same amount of trust and collaboration as it takes to build the building. The IPD Management Committee must support a BIM model manager by 1. Setting policies to adopt BIM technology, and by and installing the software for members who do not have it, train the team, and champion the use. So who pays for the BIM model and who owns the BIM model? Well, traditionally, architects have been the primary source of the BIM models, developing the drawings and specifications that document the product, the description of the design, the intended physical result. But project managers have taken the lead in providing project management information systems, gathering and integrating data from the extended team. These systems have concentrated on process tracking contractual matters such as cost, schedule, quality control, RFIs, and change orders. But CMs are now developing in-house BIM teams and developing BIM models prior to construction. The IPD core team will ultimately build integrated groups to produce integrated documents. Managing virtual construction will require technical knowledge of both process and product, and IPD will provide the platform for effective collaboration between the AEs and CMs to build virtually. So who pays for the BIM model? In traditional processes, the cost of a BIM model is borne by the AE, but the savings benefit multiple sources, such as the AEs, the CMs, subs, suppliers, manufacturers, and the owner. In an IPD project, the management committee can agree to fund the staff required effort, and the extended IPD core team can contribute resources. Since the benefit is to the project, it can be paid for by the project and not by a single project participant. With IPD, it is likely that the members of the IPD core team will argue that since the BIM model is a collaborative work, it belongs to the members. It can be argued that each of the collaborators has an interest represented by their contribution. They can share it among themselves, in parts or in whole, however they agree. And finally, in order to have a successful IPD project, professional and ethical standards should be established, especially with the use of the BIM model.